All right, so let's talk about it. Breaking crypto news in the last 24 hours, the CFTC, Commodities Future Trading Commission, lodging a complaint, effectively suing Binance. Yeah. And so we have his response, CZ from Binance's response in this video, as well as kind of the impact of crypto, what's going on right now. So again, like breaking news in the last 24 hours. I did not want to do this video until I had something to talk about in relationship to CZ's response to this. So that's what we're going to break down in this video. Hit that subscribe button and drop a like, please. Tell the algorithm that we are here. So right now, crypto flat, not really doing a whole heck of a lot. You can see BNB has had a hit in the last 7 days. Percentage not hugely surprising per the message that we got yesterday, or the information we got yesterday. So basically, Binance is CZ. I eat our own dog food and store crypto on Binance. This was a comment directly related to the fact that, like I said, in the last 24 hours, Binance and its CEO were being sued by the U.S. CFTC. CFT stands for Commodities Future Trading Commission. This is another regulatory arm of the government. We have the SEC and we have the CFTC. Yes, I know that's a lot of acronyms. They are under the radar for allegedly breaking trade and derivatives rules. In fact, the lawsuit alleges that Binance traded on its own platform with 300 accounts directly or indirectly associated with CZ himself. Now, he's come out and said point blank that he only has 2 accounts, one associated with the Binance credit card, or the Binance card, and then another that he used for trades. So he's stated that publicly right here. This is his direct response to this. I've read through this, and it basically says that, again, he only has 2 accounts is what he is talking about. So if we kind of jump back over to this, look, they're saying, Binance has come out and said, look, this is unexpected and disappointing. We are working cooperatively with the regulatory agents for the last 2 years. So it looks like they're seeing this as a kind of I think this kind of caught them out of left field, if you will, right? Upon initial review, the complaint appears to contain an incomplete recitation of facts, and we do not agree with the characterization of many of the issues alleged in the complaint. This is a direct quote from Binance. This links out to this article right here, or this piece of content right there. Guys, kind of goes on to say, CZ said that exchange remains to have one of the highest standards in KYC, that's know your customer, and AML. In fact, he went on to assert that he wasn't aware of any other company using systems more comprehensive or effective than Binance. Here's the thing. It's worth noting, look at this, it's worth noting that Binance has more than 750 people in its compliance teams, does not trade for profit or manipulate the market under any circumstances. Why did the CFT bring suit? We don't know. They're alleging, what we talked about briefly a minute ago. It says having an impact. I think this is going to be kind of the continued narrative as we are going through all the iterations of regulation and who's going to regulate the SEC, the CFTC. Is Bitcoin a commodity or a security, Ethereum, all this stuff. Okay. We have rough waters ahead of us. I'm not saying you should get out of crypto. No, that's not at all what I'm saying to you. I'm just simply conveying to you that right now, this is the our new normal, where almost every day, I think we're going to see some type of scenario like this or regulatory issue. Because what you see, in my opinion, is you see the governments, United States and global governments respectively, trying to figure out how and what all of this looks like. I think that's really what I'm saying to you, right? And whether there's any merit to this lawsuit or not, that will obviously play out in the next ensuing months and maybe year. We'll see how this all plays out. But it is having a short-term impact on crypto. And that's really what I've got right now. We'll see how this all plays out. So as always, thanks for your support, and I'm always here. I'll see you.